Are you a professional looking for a specialty tool to help you with your polishing needs? Or maybe you're a car enthusiast who just prefers to have your own set of tools for your enhancement and design needs. Having your own polisher or waxer at home is definitely a good move. From polishing, sanding, buffering, and shining, a portable polisher and buffer is what you need. In this video, we've listed 5 of the best polishers on the market today. And for more information and the best prices of the products below, head on to the description for the links and prices. Now let's start. The first product on the list is the DEWALT DWP-849C Heavy Duty Variable Speed Buffer. This DEWALT polisher is specially made lighter so you can restore automotive paint with optimal comfort and control. To ensure that you get the high quality finish, this buffer from DEWALT has a CFS controlled finishing system with a soft start to help you get your grip first and finish with a blast. This newer version of DEWALT buffer is significantly lighter compared to its predecessor. At just 6.5 pounds, it houses a powerful 12-amp monitor. Its variable speed ranges from 0 to 600 and 0 to 3500 RPM. The handle is ergonomically designed for that comfort grip. And in addition to the usual straight handle, it also comes with 3-position bail handle for multiple grip options. The ergonomic features don't stop there though. To prevent hand fatigue, a 2-finger trigger offers a range of finger positions for people who use the machine for long periods of time. And to guarantee the durability of this tool, there are wool ingestion shields covering the air intake. These shields make sure that debris and wool don't get sucked into the motor, making its life significantly longer. This newer version has a hook and loop backing pad that allows the user to change accessories quick and tool-free. A 3M quick release adapter can also be used with this tool to allow you to use double-sided pads. The second car polisher on our list is the Black & Decker Random Orbit Polisher. This waxer from Black & Decker may be small at only 6 inches, but the quality it brings isn't to be belittled. It features a random orbit function that gives you fast and high quality finish. This little power tool is well thought off that it has 2 ergonomic handles in the front and back part for that comfortable 2-handed position. When polishing or removing wax, 2 hands will give you the steadier approach compared to just having one and risking inconsistencies due to uneven weight distribution. For added mobility and easy usability, this car polisher from Black & Decker has a 10-inch cord that allows you to move around the whole car without having to re-plug it several times. Maximize the function of the tool with the included foam applicator to apply wax and the polishing bonnets to remove it. For that high quality and quick shine on any vehicle, lean in on this tool and the kit that it comes with. Whether you want to remove scratches or add that classy shine on your vehicle, this feisty little 6 inches tool is your best bet. It also comes with a 120-volt cord with an operating speed of 4,400 RPM. Are you enjoying the list so far? If so, then may we suggest that you leave a comment or suggestion in the comment section below. We'd love to hear what you think, and you can also leave requests if you have any. While you're at it, make sure to click the subscribe button and give the bell icon that extra click to be notified when we have new videos. Now the next product on our list is the WEN Waxer and Polisher. If you're looking for a slightly bigger alternative, this may be the better choice for you, because at 10 inches, this polisher comes with extra bonnets, and it's a great tool to have for your waxing and polishing needs. It's been decades since WEN pioneered the random orbital technology to provide a streak-free shine to the finish of your car. This tool version is better than ever after WEN perfected the complexities and idiosyncrasies of the waxer. With a dual ergonomic handle grip, you can make sure that you get optimal accuracy whenever you're working. And this also comes with a case that houses the polisher, making sure that you can have that delicate touch for any finish or paint job, but still have the option to get a powerful tool for stains and blemishes. If you're worried that you won't be able to utilize the full capacity of this tool, WEN is proud to state that this polisher can work perfectly with just about any surface, from your kitchen, bathroom, garage, even your banisters. Do you need a tool for your home finishes? Then you got it right here with the WEN. This kit comes with a carrying case and a high-impact insulated housing to give you the durability that's unparalleled. It's even got high performance with 120 volts, 0.75 amps, and 3200 orbits per minute. The fourth polisher on this list is the Chemical Guys Random Orbital Polisher. The TORQ tools, especially the TORQX Random Orbital Polisher, is a slightly cheaper alternative for your polishing needs. If you want one machine that can do it all, that's user-friendly, enjoyable, and affordable, then TORQX is the polisher for you. This tool is perfect for everyone, from the most enthusiastic detailer to the most lax weekend warrior. And with this machine, anyone can clean, polish, shine, remove swirls and dirt, and even scrub carpet. To ensure the most durable and sensitive paint finishes, TORQX uses the same gentle dual-action motion and the 8mm throw that previous buyers love. No matter how simple or hardcore your task may be, TORQ won't bog down on you. The features on this TORQX are streamlined and easy to use to reach anyone who wants to use the tool. One notable feature is its integration that accepts 3, 5, and 6 inches of backing plates, even without changing any counterweights. This provides you with the needed versatility while making sure that you get the same durability and guarantee that TORQ tools provide. Its lightweight construction and precision handheld design allows for a perfect finished product, no matter what you're working on. In addition to that, its features reduce vibration, making it more comfortable to hold and work with even for a longer amount of time. So if you're looking to work in any area in your house, cars, trucks, RVs, pickups, and more, TORQX Polisher has your back. Have you chosen the best polisher for you yet? There's another product coming, so before that, we'd like to remind you that you can check the description for the links and best prices of all the products here. The last product on our list is the WEN 10 amp speed polisher. If you're looking for something that's not too big but also not too small, then this 7 inches WEN polisher might be the right size for you. The variable speed that this machine can give ranges from 1500 to 3500 rotations per minute and has an increment of 500 RPM, giving you the subtle variation in speed that gives you a more stable handle. To ensure comfort while holding the tool, it's designed with a D handle and a hook and loop base pad that you can attach with 7 inches sandpaper to turn the polisher into an industrial sander. All this in one powerful little tool. The digital readout display that you can find in this WEN polisher guarantees that you have the best accuracy and precision with its illuminated current RPM while you're working. This tool is perfect for finishing, waxing, compounding, polishing, deoxidizing, and buffing. The kit includes a wooden fleece polishing bonnet with a D handle and a hook and loop base pad. The D handle makes sure that you get a comfortable grip whether you're right-handed or left-handed. Another notable feature of this tool is the 10A motor that gives reliability and power and makes it popular among the specialty car community and to professionals. So that's all for this list. Those are the best polishers on the market today, and whether you're looking for a big 10-inch polisher or a smaller 6-inch one, then you should have the one for you here. So before you go, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.